Hello children, welcome back to our another session of this chapter 9, halves and quarters. Last video we have completed the topic cutting the cake, page number 98. Today we will start from next page, page number 99. In this page the topic is greedy Kundu. Kundu is a greedy man. Whenever he goes to the market, he wants to buy, get more and more, but doesn't want to spend much money. One day he wants to eat pumpkin halwa, sweet dish. He tries to buy a big pumpkin with only rupees 10. He asks the first pumpkin seller the price of a big pumpkin. Kundu was a greedy man. Whenever he goes to the market, he wants more vegetables or fruits in less money, as he was a greedy man. One day he wants to eat pumpkin halwa, a sweet dish. First he reached a pumpkin seller and asked the price of the pumpkin. But as he was a greedy man, he wants a big pumpkin for only rupees 10. He asked the price of the pumpkin seller. What is the first pumpkin seller said? 1/4 of this pumpkin will for rupees 10. The pumpkin seller said, if you want 1/4 of this big pumpkin, you will get for rupees 10. So what will be the cost of the whole pumpkin? The full pumpkin will cost rupees 1. The price of 1/4 is 10 rupees. So the whole part is 4 quarters. 1/4 means 4 quarters. So we have to multiply the price of 1/4 by 4 times. That is 4 into 10, or 1/4 multiplied by 10 equals rupees 40. So what will be the cost of full pumpkin? The first pumpkin seller said full cost of full pumpkin is rupees 40. As Kundu was not satisfied with this cost, he reached a next pumpkin seller, Kundu. After that he said the first pumpkin seller, hey, for rupees 10 you should give me half of this pumpkin. Then the pumpkin seller got angry. She said, then you go to the next seller. He can give you half of such a big pumpkin for rupees 10. I keep only good quality pumpkins. She said, you go to next seller. Sometimes he will give you for half of this pumpkin for 10 rupees. But my pumpkin is a good quality pumpkin. As Kundu was not satisfied, he reached the next pumpkin seller. Kundu walks to the next seller and looks for a pumpkin of the same size. There also he asked the price of the pumpkin. Kundu, how much of this pumpkin will I get for rupees 10? The second pumpkin seller said, half. This full pumpkin will cost rupees half into. So what will be the price of this full pumpkin? Half into 1 by 2 multiplied by 10 equals half, means half of one pumpkin. So 2 times half together form a full pumpkin. So what will be the price of full pumpkin? Half multiplied by 10. For 10 rupees she was ready to give half pumpkin. So 10 multiplied by half equals 20 rupees. So the cost of full pumpkin was 20 rupees. But Kundu said, oh, why not give me 3/4 part? There also he argued, or he bargained with the pumpkin seller. Then second pumpkin seller said, run away. Go, get your pumpkin from that man. He sells such bad vegetables that he will even give you a full pumpkin of this size for rupees 10. The second pumpkin seller also got angry and she said, you go, the third pumpkin seller, he might give you a full size of the same pumpkin, same size of this pumpkin in rupees 10, full pumpkin, because his pumpkin is not that much a good quality one. Then what happened? The greedy Kundu walks to the next pumpkin seller, third pumpkin seller. He looks at a pumpkin of the same size and asks him, will you give me this big one for rupees 10? There he asked the pumpkin seller, will you give the big full-sized pumpkin for rupees 10? The third pumpkin seller, what answer he given? Why don't you climb the roof of that house? You can get pumpkins free from the plant itself. Kundu is very happy. He climbs the roof of that house, and then what happened? Children, we have to imagine what happened for Kundu the last. So the third pumpkin seller said, you climb the roof of that house and you will get the full pumpkin freely. So Kundu was happy and he tried to jump the roof. What happened, students? Here picture given. We have to complete the story. What happened for Kundu? Kundu climbed the roof of the house. Then he fell down and he got injured and he has obviously taken to the hospital. And what will be the result? The hospital cost will be more than that of that pumpkin's price. So the greedy man got any benefit? No. Students, the story we have to complete. You imagine and what happened for Kundu. So this is the story of greedy Kundu. Now our next topic is page number 100, using a price list. Here we have given a price list of different vegetables. Price of tomato, potato, onion, carrot, pumpkin. Price of 1 kg tomato is 8 rupees. 1 kg potato 12 rupees. Onion 10 rupees. Carrot 16 rupees. And pumpkin 4 rupees. After finding the price from this price list of 1 kg of vegetables, here we have given some questions and we have to find the answers for these questions. First, see what is the first question. How much does half kg of tomatoes cost? See, the solutions I will show here in a separate page. We have to find the price of half kg of tomato. Here the cost of 1 kg tomato is 8 rupees. So how can we find the price of half kg tomato? We have to divide per kg price by 2. To find the price of anything, half of any numbers, we have to divide it by 2. Here also we have to divide the price of 1 kg is 8 rupees. 8 divided by 2 equals rupees 4. So what is the price of half kg of tomato? Rupees 4, half of 8. Now the question 2 is, which cost more, half kg of onions or 1/4 kg of carrot? From the price list, here also we have to find out the half kg of onions price. Price of 1 kg onion is 10 rupees. So what will be the price of half kg onion? Divide by 10. Divide by 2. 10 we have to divide by 2. Half kg of onion is 10 divided by 2 equals rupees 5. Now we have to find the price of 1/4 kg of carrot. 1 kg carrot prices 16 rupees. So to find the price of 1/4 kg, we have to divide this 16 divided by 4. As 1/4 is the 1/4 part of 16, we have to divide this price also by 4. So 16 divided by 4 equals rupees 4. So which price is more, half kg onion or 1/4 kg carrot? Here rupees 5 is more than that of carrot, 1/4 kg of carrot. The price of half kg of onion is more than that of 1/4 kg of carrot, as 5 rupees is more than 4 rupees. Now we have to see the third question. Third question is, what is the price of 3/4 kg of potatoes? What is the price of 1 kg of potato? 1 kg of potato is rupees 12. To find the price of 3/4 kg. 3/4 means 3 quarters. 3 quarters together form 3/4. So here also we have to multiply the 1 kg of potato by 3/4. Means 12 multiply by 3 divide by 4. 12 multiply by 3 is 36. 36 multiply by divide by 4 equals 9 rupees. So what is the price of 3/4 kg of potato? Rupees 9. So our third question also over. Now the next question is, here Kirti is going for shopping. She has only 20 rupees with her. Can she buy all the things in her shopping list? Kirti has 20 rupees. She has a shopping list also. Here the price list given, her shopping list also given in the textbook. She wants to buy half kg of potato, 2 kg of pumpkin and 1/4 kg of carrot. Here 1/4 kg carrots price we already found. It is Now we have to find the price of other two things. Kirti wants to buy three things: potato, pumpkin and carrot. She wants to buy half kg of potato. What is the price of 1 kg of potato? 12 rupees. 12 rupees is the price of 1 kg of potato. Now we have to find the price of half kg potato. To find the price, we have to divide this 12 by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals rupees 6. So if she wants to buy half kg potato, she needs 6 rupees. Now her second list is, in her list, she wants to buy 2 kg pumpkin. Here cost of 1 kg pumpkin is 4 rupees. To find the cost of 2 kg pumpkin, we have to multiply that 1 kg price by 2. That means 4 multiplied by 2. That is rupees 8. So we got the price of 2 items she has to buy. Now the next one is, she has to buy 1/4 kg of carrot. The cost of 1 kg of carrot is 16 rupees. This price we already find out in the previous question. The cost of 1/4 kg of carrot is 6 rupees. That is, sorry, 4 rupees. That is, cost of 1 kg is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4 rupees. So we got all the three items prices she required. Half kg potato 6 rupees, 2 kg pumpkin 8 rupees and 1/4 kg of carrot rupees 4. So total price is 6 plus 8 plus 4 equals, total cost is rupees 18. So how many rupees she has? She has 20 rupees. So since Kirti has 20 rupees with her, she can buy all the things that she required in the list, or she written in the list, because the total price of this list, 3 items, coming only 18 rupees, which is less than that of 20 rupees. So Kirti can buy all the things she has written in the list. Now this is the price list. Here one more question is there. The last question is, make 2 questions yourself from the price list. What questions can you make? We can make how many types of questions. If you want to make, you can make different types of questions. So first one example I will give you. If you want to buy 3 kilo of tomatoes, what will be the price we have to give for the shopkeeper? Another one is, if you want to buy 1 kg of tomato, 1 kg of potato and 1 kg of onion, what will be the total price of these things? So students, if you want to write the question, you make your own questions and write in the textbook. The next topic we will continue in the next video.